Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Binance BB token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, BB is being positioned as a product that combines AI and MAME elements with a connection to the ecosystem. The project is currently preparing for upcoming promotional activities, a familiar name with the Binance community since 2018. The name BB has been mentioned multiple times within the community over the years. It is now being used for an official token. If this occur, liquidity and market capitalization could see notable growth, different from TST test token. TST served only as an experimental token. In contrast, BB is introduced as an AI bot with practical use cases and connection with the finance ecosystem. The meme coin version is intended to support awareness and position of this AI product. Overview: BB is being developed around the core element AI, Binance, and meme culture with the goal of attracting market attention. Binance BB token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion BIBI token. BIBI token is listed on BingX, Bitmart, Lbank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.